Ladies and gentlemen, today I'll be showing you how to improve the quality of a blurry photo like this and turn it to a clean, clear, sharp photo like this with just few simple clicks. So let's get into it. First thing to do is to get the tool we are going to use. So go to the description box in this video and click on this link here. Then you land on the Spine AI homepage. Here on the PC or laptop view, it is very easy to locate the button to upload the image we want to work on. But in case you are using your mobile phone, you may need to scroll down a bit until you get the upload button here. Click the button to upload an image and select the photo from wherever you have it on your device. For me, it is not in my download folder. I have it in my desktop. And here's the low quality photo I'm working on. I can select it and click open. Still, I just double click on it to make it faster for me. Here is the blurry photo here. And this AI tool has the power to improve the quality at 3 different levels. Here is the basic, while the standard will improve the quality 2 times. The Pro button will increase the standard 4 times. So I select Pro to increase the quality of this 4 times. And for marketplace sizes, be sure you have it selected as PNG. Pro, PNG. Then if you're on your mobile phone, you may need to scroll to see the button to process. But here in PC or laptop view, we can see process button here to process it. Done. This AI tool allows you to compare the before and the new result. Here's the button to check the way it was very blurry before, and now is the new result. If you think you need better quality than this result you just got here, then you can do that by clicking the download button. It is requesting I sign in. I recommend you sign in with your Google account. Then we need to verify this email by going to open Gmail here. And here is the mail from them. So I click to open this and I have this code here to use. Then come back to Spine AI tool, drop the code in there and verify. I'm saving it in my downloads folder this time. Save. After downloading these new results, then I go back and repeat the process. But this time, I'm going to upload the new result I just downloaded. Not the one in my desktop, it's the one in my download folder. And here is it. Double click on it to make it faster, or you select and click open. For me, I always double click. That's faster for me. The new result we downloaded before is now the level 1. So to make it better, you repeat the same process. I click Pro to improve the quality 4 times. And under marketplace sizes, I have it as PNG. Then I go to process. And when you are satisfied, you can download again and go back to repeat the process by uploading the new result you just downloaded until you get your desired result. Don't forget to like this video and share the link. Subscribing to this channel is good for you and me. Therefore, subscribe here to see my other tutorial videos. Thank you for watching.